katanungan naman dito sa koponan ng Philippine Army, their floor defense kasi, hindi talaga makuha, hindi talaga mabuo-buo yan. And we're not blaming solely ito si Angela Nunag. Angela Nunag is doing her best. Yung tulong-tulong nila doon sa likuran, kanina nakita mo, nag-experiment na. Inalis si Dakis, inalis si Balse, hindi pa rin nakatulong. So what's going on?
Siguro kasi hindi na nakukuha sa blocking, Noel.
Right.
Kailangan mo unahin sa blocking ang spikers ng Smart Manila dahil nga naman sobrang nalakas na naman talaga.
And makikita natin dito, unang puntos mapupunta sa Philippine Army on that serve. Coming from Nene Bautista, we caught a glimpse earlier of our of the men behind Sports Vision who've put this together for the last 10 years. Moing Martelino, Ricky Palu, Tony Boyliao, all together there. Here is the attack by Roses. Dakis off the hands of Roses. Cassini, uhulog sana. Gonzaga ngayon, bibigay kay Dakis. Dakis across. Roses, Pinok, off the block, hindi na mabutan ni Bunag. And Pinok might have hurt her hand that time.
Ang sakit
Still
daw.
looking at it, oo. It might have been dislocated thumb or something like that. Tanda na, si Cassini has a knee issue. She actually did not start their last game. Mapipilitan na maglaro tuloy ito si Nika Guliman. And the injury, it looks like she dislocated her finger. So Bianca Saldua will go over there. Alam mo si Bianca, dapat doktor to pero natawa si Bianca. So Pino Cassini will go over to the medics as Eliza Valdez will serve. Hirap yan, nadi-dislocate na dali. Nangyari na ba sa'yo yan? Ooh, Dakis.
Never.
Never pa na-dislocate yung daliri mo. Dakis. Parang nag-jogging-jogging lang. 2-1 Army. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Balse. 3-1 Army. Yan na, nakakahiling ginagawa nila eh.
Alam mo, natatawa ako sa mga teams na tumatakbo-takbo kapag nakakapuntos.
Oo.
Kasi hindi tatagal yan hanggang 25, no? Mamaya-maya, titigil na rin yan kasi mapapagod ka talaga. Pagod ka na nga sa laro, pagod ka pa kakatakbo.
Nahilo yata si Balse sa kakatakbo kanina. So now Nika Guliman, who's playing in place now of Pino Cassini, who is being attended to. Makikita nyo in the background of your screens, mamaya pag-serve yan, no? Nakaupo dun sa gilid si Pino Cassini. They're trying to return her finger to its proper place.
I doubt she will sit this third set out, Noel.
Oo, kailangan lang makuha na ito eh. Going, Ruby, Cotrowang on the push. Balse, Salak sending it to Gonzaga. And Going is there again, the ninja at work. Valdez, Salak, Bunag off the hands of Roses.
That was going out.
Oh, now Dakis. Remote control serve. Walang remote control kay Going, ha? Hoy, Cotrowang!
Alam mo, lumilipad nga naman talaga sa taas ng net.
The flying tie.
The higher you jump, the stronger the impact. Kaya nakakapaupo siya kapag nagla-landing na.
Cotrowang again. This time, nahanap naman niya yung linya.
Hindi mo naman pwede iwanan yung libero sa likod. Oo, trabaho na yan. Pero 6 din naman kayo sa loob ng court na pwede rin kumuha nun.
And there are very few liberos that I know are as skilled as, say, a Melissa Going, a Jen Reyes, or a Jack Jonella. Salak and Gonzaga na ilusot ulit.
Cotrowang has been delivering for Smart Manila in terms of digging and attacking. Matataas ang percentage niya in both areas.
Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Service ace from Jovelyn Gonzaga. Sabi ni Going, hindi na mangyayari ulit yan.
Nakaisa ka na, hindi ka na makakaulit.
Tignan natin, ha? Gonzaga and Going with a better reception. Cotrowang. Muntik nang matanggal ang ulo ni Jovelyn Gonzaga that time. Cotrowang with a sharp serve. There's Nene Bautista. Valdez. De Leon. Charo. Cotrowang. Salak. Bautista with the left hand. Ruby. Charo. Going to Eliza. Kept alive by King Balse. Gonzaga. No. It was behind the antenna. 7-6 Smart Maynilad. Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Nene. Turned back there by Ruby. Nene again. Lusot kay Ruby. Former MVP rin yan.
Kailangan lang ng Smart dikitan ang itong Army dahil They're down one man.
Right. Now we're tied at 7. So like the first set, eto na naman, di kita na naman tayo. Bunag. Gohing. Running attack, Eliza Valdez. No problem, no blockers. 8-7, Smart Maynila on top. Ano nangyari kay Pinong